it's Bonnie. Happy Monday. Check it out. I am out of my Christmas outfit. And I am back to Halloween. I had to sneak in Christmas for Kringle Candle. Go check out the video I just filmed with Lenny. 18 new Christmas candles coming to Kringle on September 7th. Look, I even brought up my my flocked Santa for the event, and I never took these down. I wanted a few Christmassy decorations. I gotta move those. We're not quite ready for Christmas yet. What I am ready for is the 50% off Bath & Body Works sale. Oh my gosh, this is better than Member Appreciation Week, seriously. And I got one of those pop-up 20% off coupons. I was going to use one of my 25% off coupons, but when I got the pop-up, I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to use the 20% off. I got a whole bunch of stuff. So we're going to go through, where's my calculator? Here it is. We're going to go through this because if you get 20 or 20, I'm going to use 20% off. Hopefully you get one of those pop-ups. This is a really good deal. So soap, it takes you down to $280. Bergamot and Birch. Love Always Wins collection. If you've been wanting to get that collection, it is now 50% off. Endless Sea is not a good deal because that was a $29 candle. Wild Sand. But really what the good deal is, I'm going to go all the way down to the Halloween. Oh my gosh, the Ghostly Goblet Projector. On sale for $16.47. They're doing the 50% off Halloween again, minus 20%. I got that for $13.17. Are you kidding me? I really wanted that. The Gem Spider Pedestal is on sale for $8.47, minus 20%. $6.77. I should get another one of those. I'm putting my biscotti in those. The Pumpkin Skull. That's the glass light up pumpkin with the skull inside. I paid $49.95 today with the 20% off, $24, $19. That's more like it. I gotta say, they also have the Spooky Skull King Nightlight, the Headless Horseman, which I did get. The Spooky Skeleton Hand, the Chalice, the Chalice. If you want a second Chalice today, $19.97 minus 20%, $15.97 for the Chalice. I love this Chalice. I think I should have gotten a second one. I got other stuff. The Snake and Roses. I love this. It's $9.97. Holy cow, I should have bought more. I'm like trying to think of stuff to get people for gifts. $7.97. This is way better than Member Appreciation Day. The Enchanted Skull and Roses candle holder. It's only $7.47 minus 20%. $5.97. Let's see here. Oh, the LED Spooky Cat. The lanyard, I got a couple of those because I thought, maybe I could use them for gifts. $6.47 minus 20%, $5.17. The cobweb, the spider web with the little Haggy spider inside, $17.47. And then the gem spider, there's only $3.47. The pocket back holders, minus 20%. $2.77. That's a good deal. And then the Dapper Skeleton. Then we move on to Patchouli and Rosewood, the gingham stuff, the Old in the Stars. They've got some night lights, they're night lights too. I'm reading Classic Lotus Nightlight. Let's see what else. Strawberry Pound Cake, Wallflower. Yeah, they've got, I got this, the butterfly backpack. I actually bought that, as a Christmas present. I might need that for someone. It was $8.48. Oops, $8.48 minus 20%. That's not right. $8.48 minus 20%. $6.78 for that cute little backpack. The Luxe Florals car fragrance holder. If you want a car fragrance holder, but you didn't want to pay full price, because you don't really need anything, that's stylized, just get one of them here. There's a lot of them. There's a leaves, a lotus flower, and oh my gosh, you guys, $4.97 minus 20%. Get a car fragrance holder for like $3.97. That's really good. The rainbow heart and the blueberry nourishing lip mask. Love always wins bath fizzy. I'm like really impressed with the sale, albeit confused. I am. I'm a little bit confused why part of Halloween is, and like, did they order too many chalices? Because these are just like incredibly low, as is like the snake holder. I don't get it. I don't understand. Because this is a much better deal, like I said, than the Member Appreciation Week. So anyway, check out the 50% off sale. Lots of good Halloween stuff. No fall. It's all summer and Halloween. It's just strange. Anyway, I'm excited. I placed an order. I also got a shower gel. Which one? I got one of the new shower gels. Maybe Copperfields. I don't know. I got a new one. I have that order coming. Anyway, I got lots to review. I am burning the Tuscany Apple Ginger Toddy candle, which smells amazing. I'm going to talk about my Vera Bradley Halloween purse that came. And I will see you guys soon. We got a lot to talk about today. Bye-bye.